I have a Vizio model number M55-E0, and we're going to be showing you how to remove the back cover. I'm going to start by removing the screws from the stand first, the legs. I'm going to be doing the machine screws next. We have one here next to the power cable and around the edges of the set. The most common fault we see with this model TV is the main board. The main board can fail in different ways. Number one would be no power, dead, so no standby light even after being plugged in. The TV does have a standby light, but when you turn it on, you don't get any picture or backlight. The TV does have power. The standby light does show up. When you press the power button, the TV turns on and shows the Vizio logo, but then stays stuck on the logo. And finally, we also see HDMI failures. So the TV turns on, everything seems to be working as it should, but the HDMI ports do not show any signal. And the last one that's supposed to be here is actually missing. It looks like we have a little damage on this TV, so just pretend I removed that screw, and that should do it. So at this point, we can go ahead and remove the back cover. So I'm going to be lifting it up from the edges here, and we want to be careful and gentle and wiggle the edges. We also have a cable down here, so we don't want to just yank this out. So we'll disconnect this first. Now we've already opened and closed this TV several times because this is one of our test sets. I believe there's also some tape possibly holding this down, so you'll have to remove that. And then same with the top. There's a couple clips, so you have to wiggle gently. There we go. Oh. And that's how you remove the back cover. You should check out this video next for our mainboard removal video, as well as this one for the mainboard repair video. If you enjoyed the content, if you found it helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.